Yeah, it's still Monday, 22nd of September. I'm coming up on 4 o'clock now. I'm just farting around. After I put the tiller all back together, of course I checked my float and needle valve. They're seating just fine. And put the new filters on. Started up on the first pull, just like it's supposed to. So that's good news. Went out and birds got plenty of seed. There's a few doves when I got here, but only like a dozen or so. Normally there's 50 to 100. And they was bunching on some of the seed on the ground. And dull gray hummingbird came up to the hummingbird feeder. Dull gray means it's a female. And so maybe she'll put the word out and bring some more over too. I don't know what it is about hummingbirds. They're just fun to watch. They don't bother nobody. Checked my voicemails. I had one from my old cardiologist. I called him back, and as nicely as I could explained that he's pretty well fired. And I'm switching over to a cardiologist that saved my life back in July. I like him a whole lot more, and he actually talks to you, listens to you, and answers your questions like a doctor should. Doesn't talk at you, he talks with you. There's a hell of a difference. And my old cardiologist was real proud of the fact he's the head of cardiology for one of the local hospitals. I could give a goddamn less that he's got that title. This new doctor is the one that saved my life in July. So he got my business. And say it's supposed to rain on Wednesdays, like a 55% chance. We shall see. It's been about 2 weeks since we got rain. So minor drought going on. A little building, I've got that medium-sized fan on my workbench blowing. My little personal fan I haven't even turned on today. And I turned on my mini split AC hour ago. It's 82 degrees up high, which is 76 degrees working level at my desk. But it dropped the humidity from 60% down to 48 in that 1 hour's time. That's the big thing there. You get the humidity down, a warmer temp feels just fine. You got warmer temp and high humidity, it's hot and sticky, not very comfy. Got a damn doctor's appointment tomorrow with orthopedic surgeon about my back. See how that goes. Can't remember what time it is. I got it clipped to a light shade by my chair. That's how I keep up with all these damn doctor's appointments. So life is just fine. The new kitten at the house, she's doing real well, and the older cats we have is inside cats. She likes to play with Fluffy the Norwegian, and she's the oldest one. She's about 16, and she's very, very tolerant of the kitten. Kitty the calico, she's about 5 or 6 now. She's not as tolerant, but she doesn't attack the kitten. She might hiss every now and again, but she doesn't attack it. And when I left the house today, all 3 of them were asleep. The little kitten loves toys. I bought her a bag of little plastic balls with bells in them. And I put 3 or 4 out, or about 12 in the bag. And she loves her toys. And we have a scratching pad we bought for the older cats inside. They never even sniffed it, much less used it. And the little kitten figured out what it's for and uses it all the time. And she scratches my calves and my toes and my feet. But she's just a kitten. And you can't ever get mad at a kitten. Just a baby. Anyway, I'll keep on rolling cigs. You can see that's what I'm doing right now. So that's all for this one. Thank you.